Hello everyone. In the past few videos, we've been working on arriving at trigonometric ratios for some specific angles. And what we have arrived at so far is the trigonometric ratios sine of theta, where theta takes 0, 30, 45, 60 or 90. We also saw what was cosine of theta and tan of theta. Now the other three ratios are left to be done. The cosecant, secant and cotangent are left to be done. So let's try to finish it now. First, let's see what is cosecant. How did we define cosecant of any angle? The cosecant is hypotenuse by opposite. This is by definition, or you can also consider it as the reciprocal of sine, because we already know what is sine of these angles. We can now just write the reciprocals for the respective angles. So sine 0 was 0. So what would cosecant 0 be? Cosecant 0 would be equal to 1 by 0, which is also not defined. Because division by 0 is not defined, we can say that cosecant of 0 is not defined. And what about cosecant 30 degrees? Let's look at it as 1 by sine 30 or 1 by 2, which is 2. So cosecant 30 is 2. And cosecant 45 is the reciprocal of 1 by root 2. So it is root 2. And cosecant of 60 degrees is the reciprocal of root 3 by 2. So it is 2 by root 3. And 90 degrees, it is just the reciprocal of 1. So it is cosecant 90 is also equal to 1. Just like sine 90, cosecant 90 degrees is also equal to 1. And now what is secant theta? How have we defined secant of any angle? Secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent, or we can look at it as 1 by cos theta, the reciprocal of cos. So let's fill up the table for secant theta. For cos theta it is 1, cos 0 degrees is 1, so secant 0 degrees would be just the reciprocal of 1, so it's 1. And same way, let's just write the reciprocals of cos 30 would be secant 30, so it's 2 by root 3, and reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2, and secant 60 would be 2, and secant of 90 degrees, it is reciprocal of 0, that is cos 90 is 0, so this once again secant 90 is not defined because we'll have to divide by 0, it is not defined. And what about cot theta? We look at cotangent, the trigonometric ratio cot theta is adjacent by opposite, or you can look at it as cos theta by sine theta, because tangent was sine theta by cos theta, and cot is the reciprocal of tan theta. So you can look at cot theta as cos theta by sine theta. So let us just fill up the values for cos 0, cos 30, cos 45, etc. So what is cos 0? It is cos theta by sine theta, so 1 by 0. So once again, this is also not defined. Not defined. And cos 30 degrees is root 3, because just look at cos 30 and sine 30, it's root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. You just work it out, it's root 3. And cos 45 degrees is 1, because it is 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. So it's 1. And what about cos 60 degrees? 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. So this is 1 by root 3. And what about cos 90 degrees? It's 0 divided by 1. So 0 divided by any number is 0. And these are the trigonometric ratios for some specific angles, for these angles. This comes in handy for us to attempt various problems. Thank you.